ਜਾਗਰ ਸੁਣਾਉਣ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ
ਗਿਆਨ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਸਿਲ ਕਰੋ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੰਡੋ
ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੰਘ ਡੰਗ
So yet again, welcome to Ken Punjab. I am Gurleen Kaur and I am sitting with the beautiful Kavita Kaushik, sari clad and looking glamorous.
Thank you so much, Gurleen. Abhi kya glamorous? I've tied my hair and I think अब थोड़ा सारा glamour निकल गया है सुबह से.
But I like the chunky pieces of jewelry that you're wearing.
Thank you, thank you.
Who's your designer?
Nobody is my designer. This is a sari that my husband gave me because I love wearing saris.
Okay.
This is a pendant that one of my very dear friends gave me for my wedding, and these I bought from Amrapali. So nice. It's all mere ghar ka apna wardrobe.
Very nice. So you are Kavita Kaushik, and you said that you're very different from Amrit, the character that you've played.
Yes.
So she's playing Amrit in Nankana, the film that is releasing on 6th of July.
ਮਾਸਟਰ ਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਜਾ ਵਿਆਹ ਕਰਾ ਲਓ
ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਰੱਬ ਸਾਰੇ ਸੁੱਖ ਦੇਵੇ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ
So there was a quote that she'd given in the interview that when I was taking off my jewelry and there were tears in my eyes and ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਸ character ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਦੀ ਨਿਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾਉਂਗੀ. I mean it's going to be for a lifetime with me, right?
Yes.
So what was that attachment like?
You know, when I started playing Amrit, of course I'd prepared because I'd prepared for the look because I wanted to look like Mansa's wife and not I should not look younger. So I put on weight, I took a little maturity with the makeup and everything to look the part. And when we were filming, I had a lot of contradiction because as a today's woman, I have a different set of ideologies. I do not like it if certain decisions are made without the consultation of women, and I being a woman of today, I'm a feminist. So Amrit is a woman who's set back in 1947 where women were not really part of the decision-making scheme. It was the men who did all the major everything, and women followed whatever they did.
इधर मैं भी कुर्बानी वास्ते बकरा तैयार करी बैठा पुत्रा.
Women always came second. That was a huge contradiction because the man in my life, my husband, always treats me as first. He puts my wishes or desires ahead of his own self.
That we could see on Twitter as well.
Yes, I mean he's very supporting. He celebrates me. For him, I think I'm very lucky that I've got a man who lets me be the person I am, and he doesn't make me apologize for being anything that I am or my personality is. Many a times I have been told that, oh, you're not very ladylike, or oh, you're very loud, or you have too much of an opinion, or you're very biased. I mean, very strong with your expressions and everything. And most people said that men don't like women like that. Men like timid women and docile women. I've got a man who's so secure of himself that he lets me be and he enjoys whatever I do. So coming back to the film, that yes, the character Amrit was absolutely opposite of what I am.
ਨਸ਼ੇ ਚੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਨਿਕਲੋ ਤਾਰੀ ਇਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਨੇ.
So while I was playing her, there would be, I would ask myself, Arey, why is Amrit not saying something in this? Or why is she not? And then I would, realize that, okay, this is not Kavita. Kavita would fight back, or Kavita would, Amrit would not. Amrit would have a different, reactions to certain things. Amrit would behave in a different way. Amrit's body language would be absolutely different from what I have ever played.
Right.
I've always played like dadagiri.
Yes, true.
My director of FIR used to say, जैसे मैं छुट्टी वगैरह से कहीं से आती थी ना, तो मेरी वो body language थोड़ी girly सी हो जाती थी. My director would tell me, अरे कौन सा रोल प्ले कर रही हो? दादागिरी लाओ, आवाज में भारीपन लाओ, दादागिरी लाओ, पतली मत भारी करो आवाज, body language में दादागिरी लाओ. So and the roles that were offered to me were always these strong roles. Hence Amrit was absolutely different, and I thought that, okay, this is not someone that I really approve is a wrong word, but I don't really like what she does, or but I was wrong because as a woman, कहते हैं कि भारतीय नारी, the strength of an Indian woman lies in her maturity, in her sehenchilta, in her sacrifice, in her nurturing the family, in being the preserver and the provider. Not the provider in the sense, but yeah, providing everybody what they need in the house and taking care of everyone's needs. That is huge. We don't give our grandmothers and women in the house so much credit. Homemakers, we don't give them so much credit. We really should, because I do both. I work outside and I work at home. I mean, I cook whenever our cook is not there, and my husband has to go to the office. I make sure he doesn't go without his home dabba, lunch box packed. So I do both the things, and I've realized कि this is easier. बाहर निकल के काम करना, शूटिंग करना, गर्मी में भी शूटिंग करना, धूप में, which we just did for Vadhaiya and almost died, is still easy than to take care of an entire house. So therefore, I think from what I have really the essence of the character that I've been able to brief myself with is that Amrit is a very subtle 1947 era woman, like the typicals that we've been seeing in the Punjabi film industry, right? And on the contrary, we've seen you doing very loud roles in like Haryanvi mein aap, मैं हिंदी क्यों बोल रही हूँ, मैं पंजाबी बोल रही हूँ, okay? हरियाणवी तो सीखता है. Now you entered the Punjabi sector. So is the language becoming a problem with you somehow? No, it's not becoming a problem. Of course, it is a slight barrier, because although मैं पंजाबी बोल दी हूँ, but I'm not very, कहते हैं ना कि command नहीं आएगी. Command मेरी English and Hindi आएगी. So I don't want to offend anyone while I'm giving my interviews. I don't want to say something in Punjabi which somebody might feel bad about, because I feel I don't like it when people cannot speak good Hindi. जिन लोगों को अच्छी हिंदी में बात करना नहीं आता, जैसे टीवी के कुछ एक्टर्स हैं जो, एक बार मैं एक प्रोजेक्ट कर रही थी तो उसमें 2-3 और बिग नेम्स की ज़रूरत थी, तो एक लड़की आई, मैं उसका नाम नहीं लूँगी ऑफ कोर्स, और वो आके कहती हैं कि मेरी बहुत लाइनें, आई होप आई डोंट हैव मेनी लाइन्स, क्योंकि मेरी हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है. That irritates me. क्यों नहीं है तुम्हारी हिंदी अच्छी? तुम एक हिंदुस्तानी हो, तुम हिंदी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रही हो, तुम टीवी सीरियल में काम कर रही हो जिसमें दिन के हम 8 सीन करते हैं, तुम कितना परेशान करती होगी अपने डायरेक्टर को और अपने को एक्टर्स को कि तुम्हें हिंदी नहीं आ रही है, तुम कितने रीटेक्स देती होगी भाई. तो जैसे कि मुझे ये अटपटा लगता है जो लोग अच्छी हिंदी में नहीं बात कर पाते हिंदुस्तानी होके, तो वैसे ही जो लोग अपनी भाषा से बहुत प्यार करते हैं, शायद उनको अच्छा ना लगे कि अरे ये गलत बोल रही हैं, तो क्यों बोल रही हैं. शूट पे ऑफ कोर्स मैं समझ के बोलती हूँ, रट के नहीं. आई अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, आई गेट इनटू द कैरेक्टर. मैं याद करती हूँ, भाषा सीखती हूँ और फिर मैं उसको डिलीवर करती हूँ. सो
बापू जी रब की करदा है?
रब सानू मेहनत करदे ਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਰਹਿਮਤ ਬਖਸ਼ਦਾ ਹੈ.
पर बड़े बापू जी ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੈ कि सारा कुछ रब ही करदा है.
ਅੱਜ ਫਸ ਗਏ ਮਾਸਟਰ ਜੀ, ਹੁਣ ਦਿਓ ਜਵਾਬ.